As a shipping agent in China, we have specialized in shipping from China to Germany for over 10 years. We offer comprehensive shipping solutions, including express freight, air freight, sea freight, and railway freight to various German cities like Frankfurt, Bremerhaven, Cologne, Hamburg, Munich, Berlin, and more. We provides fast, reliable, and cost-effective shipping from China to Germany, ensuring on-time and efficient delivery services for all your shipping needs. We handle a wide range of goods, shipping from China to Germany, encompassing home decor, toys, electronics, and more. With our service, we guarantee the best routes to get your products to the German market, full compliance with all applicable regulations, established relationships with top ocean and air carriers, seamless coordination between freight and brokerage, reliable capacity and service in Germany, and up-to-date tracking information about your shipment status. Your trustful freight forwarder from China to Germany. We provides cheapest shipping rates for air, sea, and railway freight from China to Germany, no additional charges. Door-to-door delivery. We could arrange the pickup from your suppliers in any city of the China. We provides one-stop door-to-door service for shipping from China to Amazon in Germany. Expert DDP shipping that takes care of all your import customs and duties when shipping from China to Germany, to make sure you experience zero difficulties. The best possible shipping routes so you can get your products into the German market on time. Easily opt for additional services such as insurance, consolidation, and repacking. How much does it costs to ship from China to Germany? Mostly, shipping costs from China to Germany depended on the carrier, service, weight, and size of your package. For example, shipping a small 1 kg package from China to Germany may cost about $15. Larger packages will generally cost more, but we have many options for shipping from China to Germany depending on your budget and delivery time request. How long does it take to ship from China to Germany? For courier services, such as DHL, UPS, FedEx, and TNT, it usually takes 3 to 5 business days from China to Germany, and it is the fastest way to ship to Germany. For air freight, it takes about 3-5 business days, but it ships to the airport only, and is cheaper than the courier service, and is suitable for heavier goods. Sea freight normally takes around 35-50 days. Sea freight shipping times have several factors that would affect the time of delivery. These factors include but are not limited to customs inspection, weather, transport truck, and employment delays. What documents are required to ship to Germany? When you ship the goods from China to Germany, you will be required to complete the custom clearance documents like commercial invoice and packing list. These documents can be fulfilled by your China manufacturers. What is the cheapest way to ship goods from China to Germany? Sea freight is the cheapest and cost-effective ways to ship internationally. It's also ideal for large shipments or moving abroad. Sea freight options are ideal when time is not the issue and you want to send heavyweight or bulky items overseas economically. But normally, it is not suitable to ship goods below 2 cbm, as the cost including destination port fee will be higher than express or air freight door-to-door. What is the best price Incoterms for shipping from China to Germany? If it is just samples or small cargo below 100 kgs, the most recommended Incoterms with your supplier is EXW. Let your freight forwarder handle all for you. If cargo above 100 kgs, we recommend the Incoterms with your supplier, with FOB for saving your China local cost, that they can be responsible for the transport from their factory to the China port. Do I need to buy insurance for shipping from China to Germany? If your goods are of low value, it doesn't matter if you don't buy insurance. However, if your goods are with a high unit price, we highly recommend you buy goods insurance to cover your risk. The insurance cost is 0.3% of the product value, and minimum cost is $25 per shipment. Get best shipping rate from China to Germany, and save up to 70% on the cost of carrier standard prices for sending shipment, and get a smooth delivery of your consignment. Contact us now for the best shipping cost from China to Germany.